This is the guided note video for power of a power. So the learning target is I can simplify monomials that have a power within a power. Power of a power is a property that allows us to simplify monomials. We will see problems that require us to use this property often. And then as a side note here, I put don't forget to multiply the numerator and the denominator, which is something we won't see until the example video. So the power of a power property tells us that whenever we have a base with a power, okay, and this base with a power is all to another power, we must multiply the powers. Okay, so a general formula for this, say we have a base x with powers a and b. This would be the same thing as x to the a times b. Having a power to a power is very similar to using the distributive property. Of multiplication. And most times when I'm doing these types of problems, I actually link this a and this b together, or whatever those two numbers are, just like I do when I am using the distributive property of multiplication. So let's take a look at our one example. Okay, so I've got 3u squared v cubed all to the second power. So what I'll do, I will distribute this to all three of my terms here. Okay, so this leaves me with 3 squared u to the 2 times 2 v to the 3 times 2. Okay, so just multiplying the powers of these three individual terms by the power that they are all set to. Okay, so 3 squared I know is 9. 2 times 2 is 4, so I now have 4 u's. And 3 times 2 is 6, so I have 6 v's. And order of these three does not matter at all. Okay, remember 3 times 2 is the same thing as 2 times 3, regardless of which comes first. Okay, so our final simplified answer will be 9 u to the 4th v to the 6th. At this time, I would move on to the example video for power of a power.